Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. Quick flip through of a very fun little junk journal for a little 5-year-old friend who is 5 going on at least 21. Little Spitfire. Anyway, there's no digitals, it's just papers from my stash. It's just things I had. Which was really fun, just to kind of, and challenging to dig around and find stuff that I liked that would work for her. It's just got a tiny, narrow piece of ribbon along the edge, because when you fold some cardstocks, kind of cracks. So I was disturbed by that. I didn't want it to tear up, so I put lace there. And this is a little greeting card. They come in I forget the brand, but it's buy the paper pads, the ones that are on the hot buys at Michael's, and oh gosh, there's something like 60, and maybe four patterns, something like that, maybe 6 patterns, and the envelopes. But I just love it, and so I put that on the outside as a pocket. And a little tag. And then the strings, I've got circle punches out of one of the pages I used a lot of. Some of this cardstock here. Things that I've had in my stash for a long time that I haven't used, I got to dig in, and so I was excited about that. It's a little envelope, and in here are, wow, it's kind of hard to get out. Eek. Anyway, some big letters, probably, this tall, paper letters that spell out her name, so she can put them wherever she wants. I sewed, if the page was white on the back, I sewed 2 together. A little 6x6 I had with, there's another one with macaroni and cheese and one with french fries that I put in here. Just a little journal card, or whatever she wants to do with it. Some ruffles. And this is made from that sheer, what's it called? Cellophane paper, or cellophane, or cello something. Anyway, it came in a pack with like maybe 6 different colors, and I want to say they're 8x8 size. So I sat down when I got them, probably many months ago, if not last year, and made me a bunch of ruffles. So I have them on hand, and they're very fun. And then this is another one of the cards from that pack, blank, so she can write, whatever. And I tried to use things that I wouldn't use in a grown-up journal, like panda washi tape. And look, I got this, I've already put it away. I got this stencil at Dollar Tree, and it has probably 4 different little girls on it with different hairstyles and I just, so cute, so very cute. Here's the envelope that goes with the card on the front. Put it in here with some couple of little tags, and, well, I'm not going to pull it out, but and then look, this is so cute. I had, when I was digging through my stash, I found some unicorn stickers, and somewhere down here is some flowers. There's a butterfly that you can't see, and a rainbow. So this is a piece of packaging, the card in there, as well as the cellophane on the outside. I guess you can see that. So I got to use stuff that I don't get to use. And it was really fun. So I put a bunch of sequins in on the front and the back. Piece of floral cardstock, because the back of the packaging had the writing on it. And then just zigzagged it around all the way with gold thread. I thought she might like that. And I made a paper clip out of one of these. Just folded it in half. and made a little paper clip so we could put it on there. I thought she'd get a kick out of that. And then just some pockets and little tags. This one is a little booklet. And here's another one of the little girls in the sunshine. I just thought it was so cute. She can write letters or, you know, whatever she wants to do in here. Some macaroni and cheese. I think that might be her favorite food. I know it's my favorite food. And then one of these, it's actually, I think, the October month. I love these things. I remember not having them, but seeing them in doctor's offices and stuff when I was a kid. And of course, in the doctor's office, somebody has already gone in and found all the stuff. So anyway, I always liked those. So now I have them for my granddaughter. Here's a journaling tag. And then another paper ruffle. Macaroni and cheese. Another. Oh, and I made a little booklet. These are carbon. Not, well, they don't have carbon paper, but they're, you know, carbon for the next receipt. So I put several together and made a little booklet. This is French fry paper. You probably can't tell, but French fry paper. She could, you know, make receipts or take people's food orders or whatever, and, you know, rip off a page or whatever she wants. But my kids like stuff like that. So, and then here's a little belly band and a card. And ooh, can you see the puppy? I don't know if she has a dog or not, but who doesn't love a puppy, right? The other end of the envelope, put some, you hear my puppy. And then here is a very cool pocket with, I don't know, it's not felt, but, oh, the raised fuzzy polka dots. And I put another little set of stickers and another unicorn, and then a little tag with dots, so she can decorate. This and this are stuck together. I mean, it's like they're kissing. And so I just folded it in half and put it in the center of the yellow page so that it would be on both sides. Because it was too big to put, you know, on the page side by side. And then a glassine bag with a lot of, there's several tags, and I don't know if I can get it out. Maybe this. Yeah. I put in a bunch of little punches and some bling, and then a bunch of cards and some smiley face stickers and several note page papers that I thought she might enjoy writing on.